Guys, Bitcoin broke out of the ascending triangle formation. Like I have been talking about in yesterday's video, we saw a further drop in the Bitcoin price and Bitcoin met our target in this pattern. What is going to happen with Bitcoin next? Can Bitcoin from these levels see a reversal and going to go back into a uptrend right here, or is Bitcoin eventually going to see lower levels? Well guys, in today's video we are going to go over these scenarios and I'm going to show you exactly what I think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price. Also, when we have a look at a lot of different indicators. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump right into it. And right now we are looking at the 1 hour time frame, and what we can see right here is that Bitcoin was forming this ascending triangle. Like mentioned in yesterday's video, we have been measured the target as well, which is the width of the triangle put at the point of breakout. Then you can see that we actually exactly met that target of the triangle formation. And from there we saw a bounce, which makes sense, right? Because a lot of traders, they are taking profit at the target, so it makes sense for Bitcoin to see a bounce right here. But what's interestingly right now is that we are seeing a lot of bullish signs when we have a look at the momentum indicators. So let me bring out the momentum indicators, and we are going to go over a lot of different time frames. And let's start off with the 4 hour time frame. I think that is quite interesting. Let me bring out the momentum indicators right here. So what we can see right here on the 4 hour time frame is that we are seeing a lot of divergences. We have the price moving down, setting another lower low right here, while in the relative strength index we are doing the opposite. We are setting a higher low, and that is a bullish divergence. And normally a bullish divergence on the 4 hour time frame is quite significant, guys. However, these divergences are not very precise in timing always. So before this potential divergence is going to play out, it is still possible for the price to move sideways for some time, to have some sideways action before actually seeing that bullish momentum coming in the price. It's also possible to see something like this, that the price is making another lower low right here, while in the RSI we are doing the opposite, another higher low, which is a double bullish divergence, and then from there see that reversal. So that is also possible right here. However, I do think that this is a signal, at least for the shorter term time frame right here, that the downside of Bitcoin is limited unless we are invalidating this divergence. And the divergence we can also see right here in the PPO indicator, we can see it in the MACD, we can see it in the money flow indicator as well. If we go to the 1 hour time frame right here, then it's also quite interesting. Then we are seeing a lot of divergences as well. It's a little bit more clear that all these momentum indicators, they are trending up while the price is trending down. Well guys, that's exactly approximately how I predicted that Ethereum is going to dump right here, and Bitcoin as well, because we had all opposite divergences, bearish divergences right here. So that is quite interesting. I do think that it is likely for Bitcoin, but it's a little bold statement right here, that this might be the bottom. If we are getting all these divergences being confirmed, then I think it is possible that this was a local bottom, and that is due to the fact, if we go to the 30-minute time frame right here, we can see also some divergences which are showing us that in the shorter term time frame this might have been a local bottom, right? We have the MACD trending up, we have the relative strength index trending up right here, the money flow, the relative strength index. So this is all looking quite bullish, but most importantly is of course that we can see that these divergences are visible on multiple time frames. So if it would only be a divergence on a 1 hour time frame, it would be less significant. But if it's visible on the 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame, and 4 hour time frame, it's becoming more and more significant. So this is showing me, guys, that I think the likelihood in Bitcoin right here to trend upwards after leaving this range is higher than to see another big move down, unless we are invalidating those divergences. So it is possible that the price continues to chop sideways and the RSI continues to go continue this uptrend. If we eventually lose that support then, which would invalidate that bullish divergence, that could trigger a big move to the downside. However, right now we are not seeing that yet. So I think right now I'm still going to lean more to the side that the downside is going to be limited when we have looked at the momentum indicators, and that right now Bitcoin is consolidating and might see a bounce right here in the not so distant future. Then guys, we can draw a nice channel over here, which can give us a little bit more clarity about what is happening right here. We go a parallel channel. We can draw it from here till, let's say it right here. So what we can see right here is that Bitcoin is trading in this descending channel. The resistance of the channel is being respected. Very good. The bottom of the channel is showing a lot of significance, but most importantly, the middle of the channel as well. That is always something I want to look for, that the middle is being respected as well. Right now we can see the middle has been acting as support and as resistance during this range. Therefore, I think that the descending channel right here is actually quite significant. And this fake out we have seen right here had a hourly close below the channel, but if we go to the 4-hour time frame, it looks slightly different. It looks like we are still trading within this descending channel. We just had a major fake out, right? Normally these fake outs, these wicks, they can result in a rally in the price, just as we have seen right here. We had a huge buy wick, and eventually that resulted in a rally due to the fact that a lot of supply is being a lot of demand is being touched right there, which a lot of investors has been loading up their bags, right, which can cause a rally in the Bitcoin price. So this is something I'm watching right now in Bitcoin, this descending channel. With these divergences, I expect Bitcoin to eventually leave this channel to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. And to see a bounce right here. It is unclear yet whether that bounce will result in a retracement or whether that bounce can lead to a new uptrend. I think the on-chain metrics are looking quite bullish right now. That is something we have to take in mind as well. That would strengthen the scenario that we could actually start a new uptrend. However, right now it's too early to say that with any confidence, right? I want to be open for both scenarios right here. I want to see how Bitcoin is going to react with these levels that we are seeing right here. Then we have one concerning signal, guys. That is that Bitcoin had a daily close below a very, very key level, guys. Let me show you that. But before we are going to go to the daily time frame, quickly, guys, I want to ask every single one of you, if you haven't done so already, to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is very much appreciated, and you are helping the channel out amazingly with your engagement and with your support. So that is very, very much appreciated. And of course, for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, I'm using myself two exchanges, which is Bybit and the Famix platform. And on Bybit right now, you can get a $610 bonus if you use my sign up link down below to join Bybit. And on Famix, you can get a $2,000 bonus if you use my link down below to sign up. You do need to meet the deposit requirements, and both of these exchanges, they are offering trading on the spot market and trading with leverage. Well, if you are not an experienced trader, I would advise you not to trade with leverage because it's very difficult. It is for experienced traders only. However, I'm using these exchanges as well to trade on the spot market because other exchanges like Binance, they require every customer to go through a certain KYC procedure, and we don't have that over on Bybit or Famix. So I'm also using these platforms to trade on the spot market. Then guys, let's dive into the daily time frame. And the concerning thing on the daily time frame is, let me get rid of an indicator right here and let me bring out a moving average. That is that we had a daily close below the 200-day moving average. And normally that is a bearish sign if we cannot reclaim that level very, very soon. So let me get rid of the drawings. Right here we can see we had a daily close below the 200-day moving average, the blue line right here. Previous times when we had a daily close, we really want to see the next day, or we want to see a recovery very, very quickly afterwards. We don't want to trade long below the 200-day moving average. As you can see right here, the moment we broke below the 200-day moving average, this level acted as resistance and Bitcoin continued this downtrend. That is something to take in mind, guys, right here. That we had a daily close below the 200-day moving average. Generally, that is a bearish sign. I do still favor the fact of a bounce due to the signals that we are seeing in a lot of different momentum indicators. So if it would only be visible in, for example, the relative strength index, it would also be less significant. But right now we are seeing it in such a lot of different indicators, which is showing me that there might be some significance in a bounce coming here quite soon. But yeah, like I said, we need to reclaim the 200-day moving average very, very soon in the next coming days. If Bitcoin wants to remain to look bullish, if this level is going to act as resistance, then that is going to be bearish as well. This level is right now slightly below 46,000 US dollars and is trading at 45,850 approximately. Then guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame and let me show you the important levels right here of this descending channel. We got the support right here, right now at 44,770. That number will decline over time right here as it is a descending channel. The middle of the channel right now is 45,687, 690 approximately. If we can break above that level in the near future, that would be bullish. Then most likely we will get, we will test the 200-day and go towards the resistance right here of this descending channel, which right now is at 46,700. But yeah, this level will also decline over time. If we were to get a breakout out of this descending channel, I definitely expect, if we look at all these divergences, right, I definitely expect that there is some fuel for Bitcoin to make quite a bounce right here, because normally these divergences on 4-hour time frames, they are very, very significant. Let me show you some examples right here. If we bring out the momentum indicator, then for example right here, I noticed the trend was slightly different, but just as an example, we had a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, and we also had quite a rally in the Bitcoin price. Do we have another example? This one is not, yes, kind of like a double bottom, not really a divergence. Right here we had a divergence as well with on the 4-hour time frame, which eventually led to quite a bounce. If we have a look at from the bottom till the top, of course this was a big wick, but there was a bounce of 24%. And yeah, if we would see something similar right here from the levels we are trading, from the bottom, for example, right here, we would have a bounce of 24%, then that would already be going to above 50,000 US dollars, even above like the previous high 53,000 US dollars. So that is important to note, guys, right here, that this is actually quite significant, and if this were to play out, then this can cause definitely quite a big bounce in the Bitcoin price, and that is something I'm taking into account right here. I'm expecting this to happen if we are not invalidating these signals. But okay, guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. I hope everybody of you could take advantage of the signal that we've pointed out yesterday from this ascending triangle, which has been reaching the target. If you have been trading this pattern, let me know in the comment section down below, guys. And if you are interested in trading the upcoming potential bounce in the Bitcoin price, then make sure to sign up over on the Bybit exchange or over on the Femix platform using one of my affiliate links down below to get exposure to these massive bonuses. Then, guys, I would highly appreciate it if you would drop a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.